Hey guys, it's Katie here, and today I am going to share with you different ways of how to promote your affiliate products. This video is a part of a video series that I'm doing on affiliate marketing. If you haven't checked out the previous videos, go ahead and check out the links below this video, and you'll be able to get access to different videos like how to choose an affiliate product to promote, how to build a custom funnel for it, how to create an email sequence to increase your ROI. First thing that I wanted to mention to you, I will actually share with you a resource where you can actually learn how to double your conversions within 21 days. And it doesn't matter if you're promoting affiliate products or any other products like digital products, physical products. It doesn't matter what exactly you're promoting online. I will share with you a resource on how you can double your conversions within 21 days. And that's coming up later. But before that, I wanted to share with you guys different things that I do and different ways on how I drive traffic to my funnels, to my products that I'm promoting, so that you can kind of have an idea of how you can start driving traffic to your products and offers that you are promoting out there. So let's get started. The first thing that I wanted to say is my favorite traffic sources are social media traffic. It doesn't matter if it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. A lot of people are using other platforms as well, like LinkedIn, Pinterest, and other social media platforms. But my favorite ones that I'm getting most of my sales from is Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. So these are, I believe, are incredible sources of traffic that you can use to promote, to drive traffic to your product and your offer. So the first one, we'll go ahead and start with Instagram. I will just share with you what I do with Instagram and how I drive traffic to my websites. So there is a few different ways that you can drive traffic from Instagram to your website. It can be either posts or stories or even paid advertising on Facebook, or you can actually find different accounts that resonate with your product or in the same niche as your product and ask those accounts to do shout outs for you. So, for example, put a post driving traffic to your Instagram profile with your link in your bio. Or, for example, you can, offer them to pay something so they would do a story on their profile and drive traffic or tell people to go to your profile and click the link in your bio. So there are different accounts out there that actually offer this kind of opportunity for marketers to buy either a post shout out, and now they also have reels. And so there are so many ways of that you can look into to promote your offer if you want to do it on Instagram. So what I would do if I'm promoting something, an opportunity or something, or a course that has to do with make money online, I would just put something like make money online and just search for different accounts that are promoting similar things. For example, this one, it's, as you can see, it's a huge account that has so many followers. And with this strategy, the cool thing is you don't have to have a lot of followers on your own Instagram account, because you go out and look for the accounts that have a lot of followers in them and just ask them if either message them, or if they have an email here in their bio, just ask them if they are offering other marketers to buy shout outs from them. So for example, if they do, you just have to ask, how much it costs. It's usually a paid promotion, so you'll just have to ask how much it is, and you have to actually look into a few different accounts because some of them don't charge a lot, and some of them do charge a lot to create, either a story for you or a post, that they would post on their account, driving traffic to your link to your profile. Sometimes, they just post your link in their bio and just tell people to go click the link here. But sometimes they just tell to go to your profile and click the link in your bio. It really depends how they want to do it, and you just need to find out how they want to do it and what they do to, to promote other people's things within their profile. So if you would buy a shout out from them, usually it's whatever you agree on, either a story or a reel or a post that they would do on their account. Then you just pay them and then they would, do that for you. Just make sure you are actually contacting legit accounts that are real accounts with real followers. And I would definitely check the followers before even contacting an account. So I would go to the followers that they have and then just go through some of them and check if they actually look legit, if they are real. So this one, it just 2 posts here as you can see. So I'll just go and see, different accounts that you could see here and how many followers they've got, how many, what type of posts they have. If it actually look like, those are real people and real accounts, because some of the accounts, they just, create fake followers, and it's obviously not worth paying to that account to promote your things because, they have fake followers. So just double check that they are real followers that follow this account and, figure out how and what you want to do to promote your products and your services and offers through a specific account. And then obviously you can do Instagram ads. And in order to do that, I would set it up through Facebook ads and just, have them run on Instagram. And that's another way of how you can promote things on Instagram. If you want to use just free traffic methods, you can obviously do posts and just drive traffic to your link. Just say, click the link in my bio, put your link here, obviously, in your bio, and just create different, value posts, motivational posts, and depends what you are promoting out there. And just tell people to go click the link in your bio. As far as stories, you can also, create stories and tell people in the story to go ahead and click the link in your bio and drive traffic, that way as well. And it's going to be free, obviously, because you're just, telling people to go click the link in your bio, and you're just doing it with with free methods, as well as reels. You can create different video reels that just takes people to your link in your bio. So that's it with Instagram. Let's go to TikTok. TikTok is actually not a lot of people are using it yet. Not a lot of marketers are using it, but some of those who do use it are getting great results with TikTok. They're getting a lot of leads, sales, traffic, and it's an incredible tool to use as traffic resource. And I know some of marketers argue that TikTok is for like teenagers. You're not gonna get good quality traffic from there. But the fact is that you can get great traffic with TikTok as well. I personally know a lot of marketers who are getting amazing results with TikTok, and you can definitely get high quality traffic with TikTok. The way you would use TikTok to drive traffic is basically, the same way or similar way of how you would with Instagram. So you would create an account on TikTok, and then you would set it up and put your link in the bio, and just create content that would be appealing to your target audience, and just tell them, in your videos, not in every single video, you don't have to do it in every single video. You don't have to say, go click the link in my bio, but give some type of call to action, whether it is to go follow your account, or subscribe or comment below, because this will get your video views higher, and your obviously your account will be visible to a lot more people that way. And then some videos you can just tell them to go get the link from your bio and check out the link to learn more about your product or offer, whatever it is that you're offering. What's cool about TikTok is it's actually very easy to get your video to go viral, and a lot of my videos actually are getting a good amount of views. Some of them are not as good as I would want, but I personally just recently started my TikTok account, so it's still in the process of growing, but some of my videos are getting thousands of views, and it's incredible how TikTok is at the stage that TikTok is in right now. So if you don't have a TikTok account, I would definitely suggest you to test it out and to see how it's gonna work for you. Another way is obviously YouTube. YouTube is one of my favorite ways to drive traffic. It is incredible. You just provide value, and again, record videos and drive traffic with your videos, and through your videos to your offers and your products that you're promoting. You can do different types of videos, like reviews of different products, just a value, steps to get something done. There are so many ways what you can do, so many ideas that you can get that would actually allow you to get a lot of views on YouTube as well. I don't want to guarantee any amount of views or anything like that, because you have to do your research, your keyword research, and what will actually get you a lot of views. It's an incredible resource. You can do paid advertising as well as free advertising, as far as putting together videos and putting out content out there and telling your viewers to go click the link below the video. So that's a great strategy to drive traffic as well to your websites. All of these things that I've mentioned as far as free traffic, it's a great way to drive traffic, but my most favorite way is with Facebook. You can do free traffic as well as paid traffic on Facebook. As far as free traffic, you probably already know that you would just create posts and stories and things like that and drive traffic to your website. You can also do this, something that I did as far as having a link or an offer here right in your picture here that you have on Facebook and in your bio as well. Again, you can create posts and put links in posts if you would like to do that, as well as telling people to just go and message you if they're interested in a specific product that you're promoting. All these ways are great ways, but it probably wouldn't be the best way to go if you want to get results quick, but you don't have a big audience that you can promote to on your social media. So that's why my most favorite way is actually Facebook advertising. And it's incredible because, even though it is a paid way, but it's something that you can set up and you can start driving traffic right away to your offer, to your product, to your funnel, whatever it is that you're promoting. You can basically get traffic on demand, even if you don't have any audience on any other platforms. Facebook advertising is definitely one of my top recommended ways to drive traffic. And regarding that, I wanted to mention that I have a great resource for you guys to check out where you can actually learn how to double your conversions in 21 days with Facebook ads. So, you don't have to know everything about, all the details on how to set up Facebook ads or, what exactly to do and how to test them and things like that right now, because with this resource, you're actually going to learn all that, and you will also learn how to actually double your conversions in 21 days with this resource. It's called Adchill. In order to check out this resource, go ahead and click the link below this video and you'll learn all about it. And it's an incredible resource because so many people are getting great results with Facebook ads by learning and using this when they are running Facebook ads. So I would highly recommend you to go click the link below this video and learn all about it, because I believe it's going to absolutely transform your Facebook ads game. And especially again, if you don't have much of an audience on the different platforms yet, this would be the best way to go, because it will get you traffic on demand, and you will be able to not only just start testing out different ads and things like that, but you'll know how to do it and what exactly to do in order to get conversions, and not only to get conversions but to actually double them. So that's it for this video. Another thing actually I wanted to mention is, if you do have a list, that would be another traffic source where you can go create emails and drive traffic or get your leads, check out your offer or product that you're promoting. But again, if you're just starting out, I would definitely recommend you use social media traffic and start out with Facebook advertising if you don't have any audience on social media platforms yet. So go ahead and check out the link below to learn more about Adchill, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. I look forward to providing you a lot more content and value here on how to market and how to promote different things and how to make money online overall. All right, I will talk to you guys in the next video.